What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your mobile. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's do. First went on Play Store and search downloader app. You will see I am searching the downloader app. Now you will see that the downloader app on the top. Please install this app. After installing it, open the app and click on OK and wait. Here you will need a link to put in the search. The link is available on description. The benefit of this link is that the IPT Smarters Pro automatically installed. Here you will see that the IPT Smarters Pro is automatically installing. Then wait and click on setting, allow this and install IPTV Smarters Pro. You will see that IPTV Smarters Pro is installing. After installing, please open this app, click on save and scroll down and accept. Now click on login with Extreme Codes API. Now you will need some login detail to update your playlist. If you need a subscription, you will contact me at WhatsApp. I will provide you subscription with free trial. Now I add my playlist, you will see. Now watch your favorite movies channel and TV shows. Thanks for watching and contact me if you need a subscription.